Hi. So before I start, I would like to give some background info about why I did this project. So one of my friends started a restaurant in Champaign, Illinois, and one day when we are on the phone, and he mentioned how painful that he had to write every order on a note and pass to the chef, so that the chef can cook the dish for the customers. Also, it is very difficult when he want to update menu frequently, and he would have to abandon all the old copies of the menu and also make new ones. So I just stated that maybe he could use a digital menu and a smart system to help. And then I did some research and found that this kind of smart system is still very unpopular in US market. And I believe this would be a good opportunity and it will be very revolutionary for restaurants. So I decided to found a company called Deliclouds with my friend, and we aim to design a successful smart system for restaurant. And I was in charge of all the technology part of the company. So here, let me introduce you to our first product, which is our digital menu. So I got permission from my friends so I can log it in into his restaurant account, and we don't need to worry about any privacy and legal issue here. So as you can see, this is the screen after you log in, and so when before the COVID happened, the customer will hand in a digital menu like this, and he can add items he would like to eat, and also he can select his table number, and he can also add the option. Uh, for example, yeah, this one has an option. Cool. And you can the option set it by the restaurant owners, and so when the customers they finish with their ordering, they will hand the pad back to the waiter, and the waiter can log in, or he can process the order by clicking this button. I'm not going to process the order because it might have some ongoing orders right now um, in this restaurant. So let me log in to show you more functionalities. So right now, this is the admin mode, which you can see the waiter display. So yeah, here are some ongoing menus that actually happening in the restaurant. And if you click this green check mark, it means that this item is finished, and it also so our system also help you to calculate the price, and also you can delete the order directly or you can print the receipt. And the system can connect to a Bluetooth, and yeah, that's in configure printer. Sorry. So we don't have a printer in the Android simulator, so yeah, so this won't work right now. But also we have the kitchen display. This is for our for the restaurant chef to see what dishes he should make. And so once a waiter confirmed that the dish is ready to serve, the waiter will click this green button, and then the item will be gone. Also, it is really helpful because before the digital menu system was available, the chef would have to go to the ordering and see what orders have on the on paper, and now he can just like turn back and just to see what he should make. And we also have a edit menu function that you can change the availability, the price, and name description, something like that. You can also remove the menu. which I'm not gonna do. And there's another page that can help a restaurant owner to better manage his restaurant, which is the web portal. So this is the logged in web portal, and as you can see, there's more option or ways to change. You can change the option. You can change the translation. Oh, by the way, our translation or our language selections are based by the restaurant owners. It's not hard coded. It's very dynamic. So if there's like a Korean restaurant, he can add Korean, but he can add the Korean option, but he would have to add his own Korean translation for the restaurant for each dish. I mean, yeah, and also we have the menu type, which is the menu categories and configured for the yeah. We also have the options, and you can add a new option or you can assign option to the dishes, and we also have discount, which can be applicable to both like a menu category or just a single dish. Another interesting feature we have is um is to edit the restaurant, and notice that we have a time zone here. So based on the time zone and the restaurant opening and closing time they selected, we will have a like a delivery page for the restaurant. So we don't provide drivers, but if there is a delivery order, the restaurant I mean the customers can select the delivery from our website, and the restaurant, if they provide a driver, they will be able to deliver. And based on the time, for example, if it is past 8:45 in Sunday on Sunday, and then the delivery won't work. I mean, we limit the delivery because the restaurant doesn't do delivery after 8:45 on Sunday. And yeah, we also have a report, but we didn't have time to implement that, and we plan to have some analytics there, and maybe in the future, because we have a huge amount of data in our database, we plan to have some maybe data mining and some big data to deal with it, to do some analytics. So in the end, we had 6 restaurants signed with us, and the feedbacks were all very good. I'm proud that our product solved the pain point of these restaurant owners, and it greatly helped them to process order faster and deliver food faster. So I'm really appreciated that this startup experience, because I learned so much from it, and I didn't know the Spring Boot framework and Amazon Web Services and DevOps before I did this startup. And I guess it's one thing that I love being a part of startup. Continue growing and becoming better. And yeah, so that's the reason why I'm proud of this project, although it is not very polished. And that's all. And I hope you guys like it. Thank you.